21st of June 2021. Here's Neulaskatu. 3 stick is B and this building's 1 stick is A and building 3 stick is B here. And this is in Hallila, which is close to Ervanta, the biggest suburb of Tampere, of course, here in Finland, with only 4 floors and it's faster. Built in 1991 by Valmet Otis, turning 30 years old this year in 2021 with Series 1 fixtures, 4 floors only. And the serial number is B1004 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. The capacity is 4 persons or 300 bike rooms, and now let's try it. Amazing. Though I think the smell in the sticky sand was even better, but
yeah.
But still, this is fast and efficient for only 4 floors.
Yeah.
I love this style too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it was planned for. We could have been planned for like 10 floors, but
yeah,
only 4 were built. Probably due to the recession that began in 1990.
Yeah. Spektiittaakin meeting vaikka on.
But the elevators were probably ordered already before it was like evident that they had to change some plans. And they didn't know about the light rails forthcoming 30 years later.
Yeah.
But this is still great, this is still amazing. That's it, thank you very much for watching. And please also watch the things.
That's